Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you wear protective styles, whether we're talking wigs, braids, locks, or extensions, the focus is almost always on the hair itself, right? Making sure the style looks flawless. But today, we're diving into the ultimate foundation for all of that, your scalp. We're going to walk step by step through the complete ToxiTress scalp reset ritual, so you can learn exactly how to prep and detoxify your scalp right at home. Before you even sit down in your stylist's chair, we really need to talk about the invisible dangers that get trapped against your scalp for weeks at a time. Protective styles are absolutely incredible for low maintenance, but they also create this totally sealed environment on your head. Think of it kind of like wearing a winter hat for 2 months straight. When you're using synthetic hair, plus all the adhesives and styling products for 4 to 8 weeks, you're literally trapping sweat, oils, and honestly, some surprisingly hazardous impurities right against your skin. In this synthetic hair buildup, it is the silent enemy of hair growth. We are not just talking about regular run-of-the-mill dandruff here. Research actually shows that synthetic hair and certain styling products can deposit heavy metals like lead, which is a neurotoxin, onto your scalp. Not to mention hormone disruptors like phthalates and respiratory irritants like formaldehyde. Because your scalp is one of the most absorbent areas on your entire body, these toxins easily transfer through heat, sweat, and friction. This hidden toxic layer is exactly what causes that chronic itching, the flaking, and the stunted hair growth that so many of us experience under our styles. So, here is our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll be looking at the Extract Mineral Cleanse, the Restore Botanical Infusion, the Purify Oil Elixir, and finally, some pro tips for perfect results.
Let's jump right into step 1, the Extract Mineral Cleanse, which is truly the foundation of the scalp reset.
Now listen, this is definitely not your average shampoo. It's a deep cleansing mineral mask that gets exactly where your fingers just can't reach. Regular shampoos are fine for a surface clean, but they simply cannot pull out heavy metals and chemical residue that are lodged deep in your hair follicles. This powder blend uses bentonite and kaolin clays, teamed up with activated charcoal, and together, they literally act like a magnet. They draw out those deep-seated toxins and environmental impurities before anything else even touches your scalp.
So, how do we mix it? Getting the right texture is super important here. You're going to grab about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the extract powder, pop it into a bowl, and slowly, keyword, slowly, add an equal amount of water. Mix it up really well. If it's too watery, it's just going to run right down your face, and if it's too thick, you won't be able to spread it. What you're aiming for is this perfect, smooth, yogurt-like paste. Once you've got that paste, apply it directly to your roots. And the best part? This works without you having to loosen your braids or take down your protective style. You just section your hair if you need to and spread the paste evenly across the scalp. Then you just let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. That's the active window where those clays are binding to the toxins. Once the time is up, make sure you rinse it completely out with warm water until the water runs totally clear.
All right, if you take nothing else away from this step, remember this number, 15. 15 minutes is the absolute maximum amount of time you should leave this clay on your head. Seriously, do not treat this like a deep conditioner that you sleep in or leave on while you binge watch a show. 15 minutes is all it takes for the minerals to do their heavy lifting safely.
Moving right along to step 2, the Restore Botanical Infusion, all about rebalancing the scalp environment.
Think of this step like a really calming botanical bath for your follicles. It instantly comforts your skin after that deep mineral extraction. Because, when you pull impurities out of the skin, you have to rebalance its natural pH so it doesn't get irritated. This infusion is packed with natural powerhouses. We're talking rosemary, chamomile, aloe, and green tea. It's perfectly formulated to soothe inflammation, knock out any lingering odors, and bring your scalp's chemistry right back to a healthy, happy baseline.
And you actually have 2 great options here, depending on how sensitive your scalp happens to be feeling today. Option A is the most common. You just mix a little bit with water, apply it lightly to your scalp, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse it out. Super quick and refreshing. But if you want, there's option B. You can apply it very lightly as a leave-in finishing step. It is totally customizable to whatever your hair and scalp need in that exact moment.
And that brings us to step 3, the Purify Oil Elixir, where we nourish and protect.
So we've done all this work to clean things out, right? We want to nourish those freshly cleansed follicles, but we absolutely do not want to weigh them down with heavy, greasy residue. This is a huge mistake a lot of folks make. They detox and then boom, they clog it all right back up with thick grease. The Purify Oil Elixir is designed specifically to stop that from happening.
It uses lightweight botanicals like argan oil and vitamin E to seal in moisture and support circulation without leaving that gross, heavy film behind. To apply it, just grab that precision dropper and go straight to the scalp. This lets you bypass the hair shafts entirely, so the product goes exactly where it's needed. Then, give yourself a gentle massage right at the roots. Pay extra attention to your hairline, or honestly, anywhere that feels a little dry or tight before your next install.
Here is the golden rule, though. 3 to 6 drops. That is literally all you need for your entire scalp. This is a super concentrated, professional-grade formula. Pouring half the bottle on your head isn't going to give you better results. It's just going to waste your product and oversaturate your roots. Just 3 to 6 drops will give you the exact moisture shield you need.
I absolutely love this advice straight from the protocol. Use less than you think. It spreads easily. Because overusing oil is literally the fastest way to accidentally recreate the exact same buildup we just spent time removing. Less is definitely more. Trust the formulation, do a gentle massage, and let those few drops do the work.
Finally, let's wrap up with Section 4, Pro Tips for Perfect Results, basically the golden rules of detoxing.
Okay, a few crucial warnings before you get started. Number 1, and this is major, do not, under any circumstances, let that clay fully dry to a hard, crackly finish. If bentonite clay completely dries on your skin, it can zap out way too much of your natural moisture and cause severe dryness. Keep it on for the 15 minutes and wash it out while it's still damp. Keep the oil light, rinse the cleanse out completely, and hey, if it's your first time using these ingredients, do a quick patch test just to be safe.
This right here shows the real difference. Most people just blindly layer install after install right over an overwhelmed, suffocated scalp. And that leads to the itching, the odors, the thinning. But by treating your scalp care with the same respect as your skin care and doing this 90-minute ritual every 3 to 4 weeks, you are actively clearing out toxins. You are building a pristine, balanced foundation, which means your hair finally has an environment where it can actually thrive.
So, knowing all the wild stuff hiding under a fresh set of braids, ask yourself, is your scalp a foundation for growth, or is it basically a trap for toxins? The tools to take complete control of your scalp health are right here. Next time you're prepping for a style, remember our golden rule. Detox first, then install. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. I hope you're feeling inspired to upgrade your prep routine. Until next time, are you finally ready to give your scalp the reset it deserves?